Hey guys, today we're at the Bensen house, right off US 1.
Alright guys, we have arrived. We're here in Grand Valkaria. Here's the house. I'm gonna walk around it for you. What really caught my eye was I saw a historical marker right over there. And yeah, it's right off US 1, so yeah. Here's the hours. Come eat here. Looks pretty chill. Let's go down these steps. But before we go down these steps, check this out. Look at this historic. I'm gonna bring you around the house, but metal roof. Let's go down these stairs. Let me know in the comments if you've been here before. I'm curious. Yeah, you can definitely come eat here. They got a little light for you. It's very chill. A little bench right there. Look at this. But before I show you that, look, this is another little view of it. And yeah, let me go bring you over here. I'm gonna show you that historical marker in a second. But yeah, look at this, man. Wow. Wow. This is awesome. Wow, yeah, let me know if you guys been here before. Fished over here. I'm curious. Wow. Come over here. I see something right there. Oh, wow. Let me try to get a picture. Rest in peace. So leaving that, yeah, you can go this way. See the swamp. I'm gonna go back over there by her. I'm gonna show you that historical sign. When we get to it, definitely pause it. Yeah, definitely pause the video and read this. Alright, so leaving that, we're gonna go out here now. Look at that nice little bench. Yeah, no diving from the pier. And yeah, it's pretty chill. Wow. She's over there enjoying the... Wow, she said she sees dolphins. I don't know if you can see them, but there are dolphins over there. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So look, we keep coming out. There's people canoeing over there. Wow. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've been here before. So what do you think of everything?
There's a bunch of them.
So what do you think of everything?
Oh, it's beautiful here.
Yeah, it's very chill.
Oh my God.
Yeah, guys, let me show you this view straight ahead. Then we'll get back to the dolphins.
Yeah, I can really see a whole
And look at this. This is the drain, so when you're fishing, you know.
Water goes right through.
Yeah. And yeah, guys, I'll just pan from right to left. You can see.
First time we see something like this, right?
Yeah, you can see the clouds are coming. A big storm's coming, it looks like.
Look, it's a metal grate. I've never seen that.
Yeah, the metal grate's something. Yeah, look at that. Alrighty guys, and that's another video in the books. Don't forget, check out the playlist section. We upload new videos every night at 8 p.m. Thanks for watching.